And use gold light from your hands. So your hand chakras, the palm of each hand, and your fingertip chakras in each fingertip, you set them to a metallic gold color like this glitter, so that that's the color they're generating as they spin. You can unblock your hand chakras and fingertip chakras just a little bit extra. We're just going to jump into it. I'll explain it as I do it. But you can imagine a river that is yours, and it represents your personal power. And I'm going to call it your compassion power, like that more evolved idea of personal power as opposed to oppression over others, sort of a dark power. So this is your compassion power river. Okay. And so just imagine you're a river that represents your personal power in that evolved sense. And it's a balanced compassion. So it's not like a martyry thing where you're only thinking of other people, but it does involve compassion and empathy towards yourself and others. But it's also good for abundance and stuff. It's not all like Mother Teresa stuff, but it's ethical abundance. Okay, so you're clearing out your compassion power river and energy. Because a lot of times, maybe you've been oppressed and it's just some of that energy of like being dominated is there. So some like really bossy energy, let's say, if we want to say it in a more less triggering way, so clear out any bossy energy, any pushy energy, any bullying energy from your compassion power river. And you can make your compassion power river whatever color you want, like a rainbow color or gold or all of the above. But I would definitely not recommend like gold, white or silver or black because those are too high or too low. Um, so, but just notice if somebody's like standing in your compassion power river blocking it, and just kind of use gold light to pop them out, or have your angels take them out. Say, angels, can you remove any person from my compassion power river? And you can comfort yourself as you do this, because sometimes it's really like it was on a bad day, let's say. If we want to be really light about what we're saying, rather than be too triggering. But these were bad days when your when your compassion power river got blocked up in this life or a past life. So just try to be supportive and gentle, but get it done. To be like, it's okay, I love myself, it's okay, I love myself, I have angels, I'm safe, my angels can help and guide me, this is going to work out. Every lifetime I get stronger and wiser. It's okay. Because sometimes oppression can make you feel guilty or ashamed, even when there's nothing to be ashamed about. So, just be conscious of that and kind of gentle, like strong and gentle, as you're kind of clearing out this stuff, clear out the shame, clear out the guilt, and just be comforting with your voice to yourself as you do it. Like, hey, it's all right. It's okay. It's okay to wash this out. It's okay to restore yourself. It's okay to let go of this stuff. All right. You can keep the wisdom and just let go of the oppression. And if you have any trouble doing this work, you can just say, angels, can you give this river a healing for me? All right, great job. Woohoo.